Hello, good evening, and welcome to our 12th session for this year. We are now on January 2022, and this is the new year. Happy New Year, guys! And again, I'm welcoming you all to our another class for this evening. So our class for this evening is just the posting last time. So the last time that we had the posting for our subject ITPE 3 was December 30. So during those times, December 30 is the start of our vacation. So it's okay if you did not pass your activity. So anyway, that activity will be carried out this week. So so that you can enjoy your 2 weeks vacation for the Christmas break. So our topic for this evening is about SQLite Database, and we are now 2 sessions away from the final examination. So remember, the final exam will be on January 20. So I think we still have 2 weeks more before the final exam. So our objectives for this evening are as follows. Number 1, discuss Windows operating system SQLite database. Number 2, value the importance of Windows operating system SQLite database. And number 3, understand Windows operating SQLite database and its applications in desktop applications development. So for SQLite database, this is just the application wherein there are certain types of data which have some sort of relationship to each other. So most of the common type for the topic of relationship is found on your databases. So it is common na guys in your Microsoft Access if you have your subject no for databases. Pero this one is using your SQLite databases in the C# application. So what is the significance of having a SQLite database in our application? This will be the storage of your file, and this will be your database. So if you're familiar with the types of databases, we have SQL for or Oracle databases in application. So SQL is just a counterpart of your Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Access in your Windows application. So why is it that we need to integrate SQLite database? Because it is the software library that implements self-contained serverless zero configuration and transactional SQL database engine. So the important features of your SQLite database are as follows. Number 1, it is the most widely deployed database engine in the world. Apart from your, as I've said, this is the counterpart of Microsoft Access. So the number 2, the source code for SQLite is open source. That means to say that you can evaluate it all the time and make references from other databases or other databases on that matter. So number 3, it has a large impact on game and mobile application development due to its portability and small footprint. So if you're planning to do a mobile applications gaming development, so it's you have to know what SQLite no database. So we have here the advantages of SQLite. So these are the following are the advantages. Number 1, it is a very lightweight database. Lightweight means you have a compact package for its application, but it's powerful compared to other databases. It is number 2, it is platform independent and works on all platforms. Meaning to say, it is plug and play just because it works on all platforms, and you don't have any problem for the configuration and settings at the same time with compatibility issues. So number 3, it has a small memory footprint. A small memory footprint can make you a long way, especially if your devices are not that powerful laptops or computers. So you need to conserve memory. And SQLite database is, I said, it's lighter compared to other database type. It is reliable in such a way that all that it is ready made available. As I've said, it's open source, And there are a lot of evaluation concerning SQLite that make it more most reliable. Number five, no need for any setup and installation. So as I said, it's plug and play, and you don't need any setup or installation. It means to say, if you're going to copy the file and you're going to deploy it, it's good to go. You can easily develop any applications that you want from SQLite database. And number six, it has no dependencies. Dependencies are the factor which generates more traction within the development for any application. Dependencies can also be work, both load of work, and if you have those kind of things to worry about, it will slow down the application's development that you wanted to do within your development process. So those are the six things that you need to know, and those are the advantages of SQLite. So for your activity number 12, guys, you are going to create your SQLite demo app 112, and we're going to have a demo for this later on after our lecture. Okay. So our code of the day is, what is the software library that implements a self-contained, serverless, zero configuration, transactional SQL database engine? Again, for the code of the day, what is the software library that implements a self-contained, serverless, zero configuration, transactional SQL database engine? So the answer is the topic for tonight. Okay. So ad astra per sapientia, it means to the stars through knowledge. Okay, so I think thank you guys for attending our lecture, no, for this evening. Then we'll go directly to the demonstration. So before we go to the demo, guys, let me just prepare my um, what's this? The materials for our lecture. Wait, Anay. Okay, so let me share my screen so that you can follow, guys, no, of the things that we're going to do. Okay. So before anything else, we will be configuration. We will be have a configuration for our SQLite database on our Visual Studio. I'm not pretty sure about the result of this, guys, because the trial period for our Visual Studio 2022 is already expired, no? So let's create a new project. So hopefully it will still function as it is, no? Okay. Okay, so it's still working. Okay, so we're going to consider the blank application for Universal Windows. Then select next. Then afterwards, let's name our project UPS or UWP SQLite. Wait, Anna, guys. Let me ano lang. SQLite database. SQLite demo. UWP SQLite demo. UWP SQLite demo. So our name will be UWP SQLite demo. So then click create. Okay, so I think we're going to stick with the minimum version. So press OK. Okay, so remember that we're going to configure something, Anay, before we can create the SQLite database. So the direction will be as follows. No, so you just pay attention, Anay, guys, so that we can continue. If you're experiencing downplay on the signal for this evening, don't be too ano because of the. Okay, so it takes too long to create the project. I don't know why. Maybe I have not checked be the program for 2 weeks. So better yet, let's wait for a while, Anay. Okay, so as you can see, we are now on our um, overview page. So we will be directing the um, okay. So to use SQLite in your UWP application, you need to follow the steps given below. So we're going to create a universal blank app with the name SQLite demo. Tapos na. Then we're going to go to the tools menu and select extension and update. So the following dialog box will open: extensions and updates at tools. Then afterwards, okay, we're going to go to the tools, and then we're going to go to extensions. Okay, so I think let me check, Anna, guys. Extensions and updates. Tools, then extensions and updates. So we have extensions, tools, we have extensions and updates. So wala siya. Pero as you can see, may extension kita de. So we're going to click manage extensions. Sa ano naton, guys, sa taramda naton, supposedly this is 2019 or 2017 yung Visual Studio. So may-ari siya tools, then extensions and updates. Pero sa 2022, may extensions, may tools din, tapos may extension. So ang ginobra ko lang, guys, is go to extensions and then manage extensions. So then after that, the extensions will be put here. So what we're looking for is SQLite for Universal App Platform. So we're going to select the online option and search for SQLite. So better yet, guys, if you're going to search for the SQLite version, kinanglan may internet connection ka mo, no? Or naka-open ang internet connection ninyo. So we're going to select the SQLite for Universal App Platform. Okay, so to make sure, search results, then SQLite. Nag-search siya de, SQLite. Okay, so search man kita. So i-search niyo dyan, you put SQLite. Then press enter. Okay. SQLite and SQL Server Compact Toolbox. So ang ginapangita natin supposedly, daw ay kita SQLite ano no. Sige lang. Ang ginapangita natin is SQLite for Universal App Platform. Okay, so I think hindi siya makita, no. SQLite for UWP. So, amo na dapat guys ay download naton. Okay. So, SQLite for Universal App Platform. SQLite for Universal Windows Platform. Okay, so we have to look for the SQLite. Wala siya. So supposedly sa aton guys nga dapat this one uh, SQLite version, no. So I don't know what happened to the extensions and updates sa manage extensions, but wala siya. Wala siya. Updates pa. Okay. Oh, manage extensions, then search results. Okay. Okay. Sige lang. I-assume natin siya nga nang naka-install na siya, no? Kay why siya din makita sa extensions natin. But anyway, so shall we proceed with the na lang. Let's try anay nga mag-direct feed. Okay. Or then we're going to configure anay. So we're going to go to Tools menu and select New Package Manager sa console. So Tools, then New Get Package Manager, then Package Manager console. So it is found on Tools, and you get Package Manager and Package Manager console. So this one. So instead nga makita kita, madirekta kita sa console, no? After sa console, you're going to copy this command and i-paste ninyo to ya guys sa dang dia, sa dang dalom dia. Na, kita nyo dyan, then paste. So sa makita ka mo de, ang do paryo lang siya sa dang inyo nga command prompt bala. Then try to enter. Okay, so this one. Ang kagina nga ginobra naton guys is we're going to configure the SQLite. Since nga hindi siya makita to ya sa extensions naton, sa tools sa extensions. Gin-assume ko lang nga nakabutang na siya direkta doon sa inyong installation. So meaning to say hindi na kita mag-install kada to itong first step. Ang ginobra ko lang do karon is nagkadto na lang ako guys sa aton nga tools, then sa new get package manager, and then sa package manager console. After ko nagbutang ka manager console, makita ninyo packet manager console diya sa may diyan nato, no. Then afterwards, ang to sa naton ang sa aton nga makita nyo ang command nga daya guys, gin copy paste ko lang siya, gin copy ko siya, tapos gin paste ko lang sa may naton, kagin press ko enter. Then na-install do naton yung SQLite.net, no, nga supposedly gin-download pa naton. Pero gin-assume ko lang ay hindi siya makita sa download kay na gin-assume ko lang na naka-install na siya direkta sa dang updates naton. So since nga nakadirekta na siya updates, gin copy paste ko ang command pakadto di sa package manager console kagin install direkta. So ang ready na kita sa pag-obra ka aton nga SQLite package. So yung masunod naton Okay, is to add reference, no? Ma-add kita reference. Pagkatapos, extensions, kag SQLite for universal app gyapon. I-check naton kung aran na siya sa ano naton, sa aton nga reference manager. So, ang obra ko naton sunod is reference, tandaan nyo guys ha, reference sa Solution Explorer, add reference, then Universal Windows Platform, extensions, and SQLite Universal App Platform. So, yagwa na bali is this one. So, kung makita nyo yung reference di sa may Solution Explorer, ma-right-click lang kamo, add reference, i-click nyo siya. Then, makadto kita sa extensions. And pangitaon naton Universal Windows. Wait lang. Ang pangitaon naton is SQLite for Universal App Platform. So, supposedly, ari na siya. Pero ay. So, problema dahil agad. Sige lang. So, butang naton SQLite. Check natin kung ari siya. Yes. Wala. Okay, so I think SQLite is not found on our problema agad. Okay, wala siya nagawa. SQLite is not found on our guys, latest version sa 2022. But since nga naka-install kita di sa package diya, i-try naton maskin wala siya ma-enable no sa references. I-try man nato gyapon nga mag-obra no direkta. So ang ginaobra naton usually is ina-copy paste man lang naton yung command no sa ano naton. So double click nyo lang yung main page. Then sa main page, pwede nyo man actually close nyo lang anay. Okay, so this is our main page, no? And what we're going to do is to copy the command. Okay, so this is the command sa main page. Okay, medyo lawig. Okay, so this one. Copy nyo. Makita nyo man sa modules nyo guys. Pero kung hindi, i-butang nyo siya. You can look it for the from tutorials point, no? Copy and then i-paste, i-canton nyo di guys. And then select all. Delete nyo anay. Then right click paste. Okay, so so far so good pa. Pero I don't know kung ma-configure siya karon sa database nato no or sa SQLite. Kay ginawala naton ma-configure ang sa references. But anyway, ma-proceed kita gyapon. The same thing ang so far so good, nag-display siya. So yung brown naton is sa main page liwat, right click and then view code lang anay. And then balik kita to sa may naton sa code nga sa backend bala. Backend ang kaduwada guys. So then copy nyo lang tanan, medyo lawig-lawig gawa. Then right click and copy. Then amo dito kita sa may backend no. Kaya right click view source naton siya. So i-delete naton anay. And then right click paste. Okay. Now, so may makita akong error, tatlo kabilog no. This one. Error gina siya. So pakadto nyo lang sa babaw. Then go back to main page and then local machine. I-ano ninyo doon, i-testingan natin doon. So hopefully mag-run siya. Maskin why natin ma-configure sa SQLite, no? Try natin. May duwa ako ka-explanation in sang why nagana ang pag-install natin kapag download katong SQLite. The first one is, ang theory lang dyan guys, it's not proven. Pero this is based on experience no on my part. Perado ko katuig nga naga-program. I think naka-embed siya sa bag-o naton nga nga Visual Studio. Amo lang daya ma-explain ko. Okay, what is happening? Is it running already? This one. Why pa? Medyo may inay, no? Okay. So, I'm sorry. Nagakaturog I don't know. Nagakaturog yan ang ano ko, yung computer ko. So, base why ano kay 2 weeks nga wala na bukad mo. Siguro nga ay why gagana. Okay, come on. Okay, let me check lang anay kung dayan pa kamo. Okay, dyan pa kamo guys. Ina-check ko lang. Okay, so as you can see, do nag-stack up siya pag run. I don't know what happened to my ano. But supposedly, dapat naga-display na ni siya ang iyang output. So kagina pag run ko, I think why man siya at issues. Hi. Close ko na lang guys. Why man it issues kung nga nakita kay on Areo. So you can see here, no issues found. So supposedly, this one will run. So I don't know what happened. No? Continue lang natin. Oh, may error. So root frame, navigate type of main page arguments. Close na natin. Supposedly wala siya error kay this one sa root frame, navigate. Okay, so I don't know what happened. Let me ano lang guys. Wala man issues na nakita, no? Start ko lang siya. Okay. Okay, what is happening? System that did not found except unable to load DLL, SQLite 3 or one of its dependencies. So the specified module could not be found. So it is understandable kay I think ang sa main page na CS nato no. Ay kita abi it SQLite. But the program is kay why naton makita ang SQLite kagina. So let me stop the running na lang. Pero as you can see, nagaran siya why issues. Why lang gyud kita at SQLite nga database. So, kay hindi natin makita yung SQLite. Pero actually, if kung na-run ninyo nga daw ga periodo kada to guys, ay accept lang nato na. So supposedly pero ang ano guys, ang pag-run ka SQLite, ang iya nga procedure. So nakita niyo man to kung paano. And then it's also found on your module. So maybe if hindi ka mo nag-run sa 2022, I'm sorry to say that ang 2022 nga dang ano SQLite Visual Studio nga gin-download naton guys is hindi siya naka-adapt sa SQLite because nag-expire doon niya aton nga trial period. So mo day explanation ko. But again, if as I've said, lantawan niyo bala guys. Kung magkadto ka mo sa may inyong ano nga start menu, then you can see here the UPS SQLite demo. Kung i-double click ninyo guys, kag nag-amo ni siya. Okay, so I think I will accept now your ano. Nag-amo na siya. So dasigon nyo lang nga pag print screen. Dasigon nyo lang nga pag print screen para nga pag nag-ano ka mo, amo dayad ang ano naton activity na. So I will consider the ano if it is not running. Pero if you're using ang SQL which is I'm sorry, Visual Studio nga hindi it ang 2022. So you have to follow the steps or the procedure nga makita ninyo tuya sa may ano naton. And supposedly marana siya amo da tsura niya sa module ninyo. Okay. So supposedly, this one is the appearance of the SQLite demo. And then the name and the age will appear, or you can add or retrieve the file nga ano ninyo di. So hindi ni siya mag-display nga pareho kadaya. Pero kagina nag-display na siya sa ano naton. Ang sa diyan nato no, ang sa main page. Sa main page naton. Tulad hindi niyo siya makita. Pero kagina nga ari na siya. Naka-black. This one. So supposedly, parang mayado lang, no? Kung makita ninyo ang kabilugan niya ng amuda itsura na, and then sa my main page, i-consider ko tong ano ninyo guys, ang inyong appearance ka tong obra ninyo nga dang paryo ka dya, tong naga-X na dya. So basta, ang condition is, pag abot ninyo sa main page, kag man nakita ninyo nga nang amuda itsura ka main page ninyo, pwede nyo da ma-print screen kag amuda pag ay isa ninyo ka print screen. So bali duwa i-print screen ninyo or tatlo or apat including the code nga makita nyo di. Panggudon ninyo guys ang code diyaw. So supposedly paano magpanggod? Vertical split, horizontal split. So vertical split nyo or horizontal split nga makita lang yung code kag i-output nyo diyaw. So this is vertical split. So this one is the code sa main page na ya. So kung magbalik ka mo, balik nyo lang sa or kagina, pareho ka to. Again, vertical, hindi ko nakabalik. Kaya sige lang, amo lang dyan, no? Picturean nyo gid ang daya ho. Ang dia, kag ang dia. Or i-print screen yung amo dat sura na doon. Then, never mind the, you can also print screen this one. Ang sa CS. And then, ang pinaka-importante, ang print screen ninyo sa output nga, which is ang SQLite demo. So, may makita ako di guys nga ITPE SQLite demo. And then, box lang siya. Then, print screen. I will consider it if amo kada output ninyo. Ay understandable because ang SQL wala natin mapakonnect sa ginobra natin ng application. So, hopefully, manando man ninyo procedure, okay lang da. So, hopefully, if you're working not with Visual Studio 2022 or other versions nga lower, maskin 2019 lang, so yung steps makita nyo man di sa dang aton nga. Okay, so diin guys, nga applications importante ang amoda. It is important if kung himo ka application nga project nga kinanglan ka mo ka database. So amoda. Pero kung gusto niyo i-link na siya sa SQL nga sa database, don't use Visual Studio 2022. Use ang later version or ang daan nga version. You can use 2019 or you can use 2017 or 2013 na. Or 2017 lang gid na. Amo daya na. Or 2019. Para makagamit ka mo ka database or SQL. Okay guys, so I hope that you learned something this evening, no? More of the demo siguro will be done sa another time, which is Friday. Mabalik kita sa dati nga naton, ng mga schedule. Karang Monday, arang last year, why lang gid kita kabalik sa dati, iti duron nagkranabo, no? So there are things nga why naton unexpected the things, especially nga nagalain niya panahon karang December. So amuda. But please attend all your classes now, not only with sa subjects naton, but in your other subjects because as I've said, and that is in preparation for your final examination, no? So tentative schedule of your final exam will be January 20, na-announce to the instruction. So, take grado Laksimana. I'm hoping that you will attend your all your classes, no, so that you can ano na, you can comply with your activities and other assignments in your other subjects. Okay, so let me ask you, do you have any questions, guys, regarding our topic for this evening? Do you have any question with the demo, with the demonstration? And okay, okay. So on Waay, thank you very much for attending your class, your ITPE. I will see you next week. Uh, Another, if there are changes sa mga schedules naton, kay sunod natin na klase for the ITPE subject is on Friday afternoon. So there might be some changes, or on your other subject, which is tomorrow, you have at 2 p.m. and the other one will be on Wednesday at 7 p.m. So as I've said, thank you so much for attending your class for this evening. And I'll see you next week. So thank you guys and good evening.
Happy New Year, sir. Bye-bye.
Ay, Happy New Year guys, no? I forgot, no? Sige. Happy New Year to all. I hope that everybody is, ano, no?
Maligayang bagong taon, sir.
Okay,
Happy
maligayang
New Year, sir.
Happy New Year to. Okay. Sige, thank you, thank you.
Sir,
Yes?
ang sa ang karang December 25 wala sir ang impress kadtong isa ka ang activity sir karang December 25 kita na da sir ang pasahan sir. Ang
Hindi,
activity
tulad. Ah,
kadtong
tulad niya ipasa. Pwede pa man kamo kapasa tulad. Ang actually, kung maano ninyo, madumduman, why ko ginchekan niya activity niyo karang 24. So, ang that is why i-carry over naton tulad nga week. Hay why man ta nag-lecture kag why ginpabayaan ko lang gani man. Urihido abi nag-abot yadang letter halin sa main campus nga ang 20 ang start kadang ano bakasyon. So white memo kun why kot memo why ko maano gin-post ko lang gid karang before pa ka 20 mga 19 or 18 naka-post na abi. Ginpabayaan ko do lang kay ti dang kanugon manabi ka activity nga ginimo ko. Ay na tanan ko abing activity naka-advance siya 2 weeks or 1 week or 2 weeks prior. So na ano nalipatan ko nga Christmas break na gali sa 20. And that is why nga ang activity naton karang 20 supposedly 24 do karon pwede ninyo do karon nato gin lecture kag do karon ka mo pasa nga week.
Okay, so bali sir ang deadline na sir buko 25.
Bukon at December 25 or 24. Ba 24 bala? 25 oh.
Sige
Christmas Day
sir.
abid
Okay
na
sir.
ano lang ko na-post ko lang abi gid before ka 20. Kay ti dang pero why makita ka pangalase karang amo to nga time. Ang iklaro ko lang gani ay ti base ma-confuse ka mo bala guys. Yan natabo abi na post ko doon before ka 20. And then ang memo nag-abot 20. So amo da pinabayaan ko lang. Anyway, why man tat klase karang chimpo nga to. Do karon ninyo i-comply lang ya activity ninyo. Okay, doon klaro doon.
Haad sir. Thank
Okay,
you.
sige, sige. Okay,
Thank
sige.
you.
O sige guys, bye-bye. See you.